Hello everyone. So in social studies today we are going to take a new chapter, chapter 16 on page number 69. My safety. So it's very important, easy and interesting chapter because safety is must for everyone. So here we are discussing safety rules or safety parameters for us. So let us see what is given in this chapter. Safety rules help us to avoid accidents. Avoid means uh, not let them come in our contact, right? So, or you can simply say refrain from, uh, get away. So, safety rules help us to avoid accidents. We can be safe and take care of ourselves by following some safety rules. So these are given in different categories like safety on the road, next is safety while playing, and safety while traveling in a vehicle, right? And after that, traffic signals and then exercise. So let us study safety on the road. They are very easy things you have already discussed or studied them in UKG class also. To be safe on the road, we must follow some rules. We must always walk on the footpath. So, footpath are the strips along with roads, both side of the roads, right? So we must walk on the footpath only to avoid vehicles. Number next, we must cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Zebra crossing, these strips, black white strips, so they are called zebra crossing and they are made to cross the road, but not all the time. If the light is red for the vehicles, only then you can use zebra line, so you should wait first. Next, we must wait for the crossing signal to show green, right? To show green, green means green for us who are going to cross the road. Before crossing, we must first look right, then left, and then right again. Okay? So, in this way, you will see whether some vehicle or another thing is coming or not. So, first seen right, then left again, then right again, and then you should start crossing the road at zebra crossing. We must cross if no vehicle is coming. Yes, it's natural. Next, we must never run on the road. So running must be avoided on the road. Safety while playing. When we are playing with our friends in the park or playground, we must not fight or push each other. Right? Fighting should not be there and pushing must be avoided. Okay? We must not play near water or on the road. Yes. And next, at home we must not play with sharp objects or matchboxes. Sharp object means like knife, scissors, or other tools like screwdriver, needles, like that. Okay? And matchboxes, anything that produces fire, like matchboxes, lighters, electric switches, or gas cylinder, etc. Right? Next is safety while traveling in a vehicle. Again we are on road this time, but this time if you are in a vehicle, okay? We must wait for the bus standing in a queue. Okay, if we are going to catch a bus, we should be in a queue. Queue means a line. We must not try to get into or out of a moving vehicle. If the vehicle is moving, we should not try to get into it or to climb in it or to get off out of it, right? We must not lean out of a moving bus or car. Lean means uh, to see outside, okay? So if the bus or car is moving, you should remain inside only. Even you should not move your hands or face etc. out of the window. We must sit quietly so that the driver should not be disturbed. Right? Next page. Recite this poem. This poem is about traffic signals. Okay. Stop says the red light. Go says the green. Wait says the yellow one till the light is green. So very simply they have uh, cleared the traffic rules. Means red light means stop, do not go ahead, and whenever there is green light, then only you should move. And wait says the yellow one. And what if the light is yellow, not green, not red? Then you should wait. Wait for what? Till the light is green. Means if the light is red and after red it is going to be green, right? But before going to green it will turn yellow, so that you should know that you should be ready to move now, and when it turns green only then you should move, right? So, and it happens when the light turns from green to red also. Suppose light is green, right? The traffic is going on, but it will not turn red suddenly. First of all, it will turn from green to yellow or sometimes orange. It means the light is going to be turned in red now. Okay, you must be ready to not to move or to stop, right? So only this was there in the poem. Now it's exercise part. Take the correct answer. MCQs. The red light says stop, go or wait. Red light, you can easily tell. Tick. The green light says go, stop or wait. Green light. Yes, go. We must always walk on the road or footpath or floor. Very easy, you can do it. Now, there are some words in this circle: green, quietly, road, queue, and accidents. So, we have studied all them and you have to fill these in dashes. So, let us see. Safety rules help us to avoid means avoid what sorry, safety rules help us to avoid. Yes, safety rules help us to refrain from. This I told you, na? Avoid means accidents. Yes. Number 2, we must wait for the crossing signal to show green, right? And then we should move. We must not play on the, yes, very easy, road. We must wait for the bus standing in a queue. We must sit quietly, easy, and write only 3 safety rules that we must follow. So, this work you will do in your notebook, right? And several times there are rules repeated. Even these are repeated in this exercise part. Okay, you can directly pick from this, fill in the blanks. So you will write yourself here also and in your notebook also, right? Find out what the following road signs mean. So there are some road signs, symbols, traffic symbols you can say. So for what they are, you are going to find out yourself. ठीक है, कुछ तो आपको इजीली पता लग जाएंगे कि क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं वो, और कुछ जो नहीं पता लग रहा है उनको आपको सर्च करना है या किसी की हेल्प लेनी है. ओके, ये आपका प्रोजेक्ट हो गया. Only this in social work today. Then we are going to take your this book, Art Cafe. Okay, So I am directly coming on the video. This art cafe. In art cafe you will take scenery, color the picture with crayons as shown, right? Here it is shown. So you may take this picture or you can use your imagination also, right? So this, and in your craft cafe you will take this one, necklace, thermocol balls, pasting. These balls were given with the book. Okay, so this social studies, art and craft is covered. In next video we are going to take maths, speed maths. Okay, thank you.